Create buttonholes for your projects in one easy step. Just set the machine for the buttonhole, place the button onto the automatic one-step buttonhole foot, and the machine does the rest. Every buttonhole is perfectly sized for your button, no matter how many buttonholes you want to make. You'll have professional-looking results every time in one easy step. The stitches on this Singer sewing machine are clearly displayed on the pattern selector dial. For the essential or basic stitches, turn the dial until the stitch you want to sew lines up with the mark on the machine. Then set your stitch length. To access the stretch stitches, turn the pattern selector dial to choose your stitch. Then set the stitch length dial to the S setting, and you're ready to sew.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.